There are a lot of interesting facts about eggs you don't know. An egg contains only 70 calories and 5 grams of fat. Healthy. An egg is a baby chicken that can hatch into an adult chicken or crack into a delightful treat on a stovetop frying pan. Eggs can only be eaten for breakfast, and only if the chicken who laid the egg is cool with it. For the best kind of egg is your favorite way to eat the egg. If you're hungry, you can eat 2 eggs at once. An egg can also be used as a ritualistic token offered to rabbits on the pagan holiday of Easter, or as your best friend. If you're especially lonely, you can lay your own eggs without a chicken. Like the fragility of friendship, eggs can crack too.
Eat more chicken.
When eggs grow up and become adult chickens, they consciously harvest their livelihood and commit to paying taxes. Eat more chicken. Throw your egg in a river and see if it floats. It may be a witch. You can tell the age of an egg by the buoyancy of the egg. For all the chicken. No. Eggs are a natural source of vitamin D. Egg tosses are fascist idealisms. Eat more chicken. What came first? 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 Chicken earlobes can predict what color egg they will lay.
In our cold, dark world, segregation is nothing more than a yolk in its whites. 2 lost souls merged in a shell of apathy and misunderstanding. Bach!
No! There you have it, a perfect egg for your perfect day.